So homework 4 is asking you to write some code and essentially generate a list of prime numbers. Prime numbers, of course, are the natural numbers greater than 1 that that are basically divisible only by 1 and by itself, right? So there's no other divisors, such as, for example, 5. Divisible by 5 and by 1. Cannot be divided by 3, 2, 4, or anything else, right? So we have some prime numbers here to consider. Prime numbers in general in science and in computer science are very, very important. They play a very important role in encryption, compression algorithms. Even in some research areas of physics, they play a really important part. So understanding prime numbers, being able to generate them, think about the possibilities of generating them is essentially the topic, the focus of this assignment. And we're actually going to recall, let me close this. They're going to, this particular assignment essentially tells us that the user needs to enter a range or the number of prime numbers to generate. And so in that case, our program should consider every single integer starting from 2, right? Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth, to be a candidate to be a prime number. And we need to develop a test, which essentially tests the number and verifies that it is only divisible by itself and by 1. And so here's the description how to, what to consider. Also, there's some links to some prime numbers so you can test the outcome of your program. Here's the hard-coded, which goes up to 7,919. All right, so it's like the first 2,000 prime numbers or 1,000 prime numbers in the first row of those. Okay, so that's that. So that's the idea, and this is going to be our next effort to make sure that we can produce this program that computes prime numbers. And as we go into our presentation today, this will be the focus, and we'll be often referring to this assignment and how this topic may be useful in what we're trying to introduce. So that's the thing. I don't think I restarted my counter, so let me just